Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome again in my YouTube channel. My name is Neetu and you are watching English Talk Corner. In today's video, I will tell you if you are a beginner and how you can start your English spoken journey at home without any partner. Because I know you don't have anyone whom you can start your English spoken practice. So what I am doing and how I am improving, I will tell you in this video. I know you are doing four things: reading, writing, grammar, or speaking. And how I am doing all the work, four of them, I will tell you in this video. I am reading, but I am reading kid story and the timeline was 4 to 5 minutes only. Because this is my first time. If I will read 14 minutes, 15 minutes video, I will watch it and I will read that video subtitles, so I will be bored easily. So I am watching only kid stories so that I can understand, I can feel relaxed, and I can normal understand that, and I can speak also. In my listening part, I am watching conversations video. In conversations video, the benefit of watching conversations video, you can improve your English and you can use those sentences in your day-to-day life. After that, how I am doing my English speaking practice, I will tell you. These days I am speaking English with myself. I know this is my first time, but I will talk to myself. Whatever the daily sentences I use in a day, I try to use that and I just write down in a one place and I just try to speak only those sentences at my home. Like, when did you get up? I get up 12 o'clock. So these kind of the sentence I used in my day-to-day life, like whenever I'm going for the shopping. Today I am going for the grocery shop. Yes, can you pass me this bottle? Right now I am washing my utensils. Today I have lots of clothes to wash. Now I am mopping. Now I am dusting my house. Yes, now I am making my bed. Can you pass me your remote? Can you give me your phone? Can I open your almirah? So these kind of the sentences I note down in a notebook, and then I try to use that in my day-to-day life. For first time I will be not that much happy. We have to make habit of that. So that's why I try to speak only those sentences. Like in a day, I try to speak 7 to 8 sentences in a day, and that sentences is really, really easy for me so that I can speak. Gunu, can you go with me? Let's go for the park. Do you want to eat something? Do you want water? Do you want chocolate? Or let's go for the movie. What do you want to eat now? Can you pass me this bottle? Can you pass me this pen? Can you go for the lunch? So these kind of the sentences I used in a day to improve my English. I know this is not my habit to speak this language. So that's why I am doing my English spoken practice every day. If you are a beginner, I know first day you will have a problem, but literally guys, this sentences will help you. Just pick only small sentences so that you can use those sentences in your day-to-day life. Start talking to your son, start talking to your kids. And when you are comfortable with your kids, then try to use that sentences with your husband. Whenever your husband is saying something, just reply them in an English. Like first day, I know you will have a problem, like you will be shy, but when it will become your habit, so this English will come out from your mouth automatic. I know it. Just do this exercise 10 minutes. Just pick only sentences in a day, and in a 24 hours, you just need only 10 sentences. Like I will tell you, when did you get up? Okay, in a breakfast, what are you making now? In a lunch, what are you cooking? So use only basic sentences so you can use in a day. So that's how you can start your English spoken journey, and try to speak those sentences to yourself. When you are comfortable with yourself, and then you will speak these kind of the sentences as other also. And whenever you are doing chat with your friend, with your anyone like relative or anyone, just try to add some sentences in English. Like whenever you are going for the something, so just say, yeah, we have lots of fun there. So just make some sentences in an English and just prove them and work on your writing part also. So that's all I'm doing to improve my English. And there are lots of application are also there, so you can use also. And I know there is also one application and that is free, and that is Hybro application you can use to audio practice also. But if you are a beginner, so just go with the reading part, writing part, or speaking part. You just need to speak this language with yourself, not to everyone. Just try to speak this language with yourself, with your kids, or with your friends, who is your really best friend. So that's how I'm doing my English speaking practice nowadays at home. Okay, let's see how much I can improve at home. So bye bye guys, let's meet in another video.